Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is Applebee's Spill, and today I'm going to show you how can you easily pair it with your iPhone. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device with this button over there. We have to hold it. It automatically goes to our discover mode, so now we can click connect. As we can see, we are now paired. We can go to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth twice, click Bluetooth settings, and so that we can check our device info. That's it. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye!